Guys, if you want to convert PDF to Word, just you can convert in fraction of seconds without using any software. Also, guys, if you can edit PDF also. So, guys, in this tutorial, I will show you how to convert a PDF file into an editable Word document using Microsoft Word. No third-party tools required. So, to convert PDF to Word in just fraction of seconds, just open a Word document. You can see over here. Just hit on the search Word. Now, guys, from Word, just you can see here. You can see on my desktop one PDF is that now I wanted to convert into Word document. Just drag and drop here. And now you can see over here. Word will now convert your PDF to an editable Word document. Just go and hit, and here you go. Now your PDF successfully converted to Word document, and that also editable. If you want to edit also, so let's example, if I want to write something, yeah, you can edit this PDF, converted PDF. And if you want to, guys, again, you wanted to convert into the PDF, just to go to file section, and from file section, you can go to the export, hit the export button, and you can create PDF. That's it, guy. So here you go. This way, guy, you can go and convert PDF into Word document. So, guys, thanks for watching my video. Please do like, subscribe my channel. Thank you.